Hello, my name is Jerome, and I'm here to give you a solution for your Navage nasal irrigator if it stops sucking. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If I push the button here and the arrow's pointing in, so this here is supposed to suck, and there's no suction. So I put a previous video out about putting a rubber band around in here. And when I did that, that worked really well for about 5 months. And I put a spot of super glue on it so I wouldn't lose the rubber band. But after about 5 months, it stopped working. I tried to put another rubber band in, and I couldn't get this one to suck. So what I did, I took some calipers and measured out this distance, and I found this ring here on Amazon. And as you can see, this is a perfect fit inside of here. And on Amazon, they give me a package. I don't know, there may be about 10 of these in here. Yeah, a pack of 10. So I'll put in the link um, where you can find these little O-rings. That's a perfect fit for your Navage. And I'll also put the measurements, the thickness, the width, inner and outer diameter, in case you want to search somewhere else other than Amazon. But once I put the bottom on and push the button, very good suction. So that's the way you can keep your Navage working if it stops sucking. Because I know they stop working after about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. It seems like I always had problems. So this will keep it working for much longer. If this video helped you, click like and share it with your friends. Have a good day.